this water town. Ain't nobody hanging around. Another gray September day. Was I crazy to think she'd stay? If that sun would've just hung up in that sky just a little bit, yeah, just a little bit longer. If those blue water waves could've stayed at her feet on the beach instead of going out with the tide. If that wind was a friend, it'd still be blowing in like a warm southern whisper. She might have stayed forever and never, ever left these arms if only I had a little more summertime.
GoPro Gary here. First tube run of the 25 season.
Let her memory take hold, stirring that old fire up, as if I don't miss her enough. If that sun would've just hung up in that sky just a little bit,